just dropped in to see you all and only stay a while. I want to see how you're getting on. I want to hear your smile. I'm happy to be back again and greet you big and small. For there's no place else on earth just like the homes of Donegal. I long to see your smiling children standing at the door. The kettle boiling on the hearth as I walk up the floor. And then to see you welcome free for travellers big and small. For your hearts are like your mountains in the homes of Donegal. I'd like to stay along with you while we're the night, with fairy lore and tears of yore beside turf fire bright. And then to seal it out for me, I shake down by the wall. For there's rest for weary wanderers in the homes of Donegal. Time has come for us to go. I bid you all adieu. For the open highway calls us back to do these things we do. But when we're traveling far away, the friendship we recall. But praise God, we'll soon return unto the homes of Donegal. Donegal, pride of all, Donegal.